has it sunk in? Olympic medalist and the first female Olympic medalist in shooting.
Honestly, I realized it after some time that I was the first woman to win a shooting medal in Olympics for India. And yes, it has sunk in because I have matches to shoot tomorrow also and then day after also. So it feels great, and it's for all the ladies who tried but could not make it to the podium. It's for all of us. Yeah.
Do you think you were ready for this occasion, because shooting is a lot about development of the mind as well? Do you think you were ready considering your past experiences, multiple international medals?
This question I was asking my coach yesterday, do you think I'm ready? So every time I asked this question, he was like, yes. What makes you think you're not ready? You are ready. So his, when he said that, whenever he says that, it just makes me feel more confident, and I feel like, yes, I am ready. So
how big a role has he played? Obviously, he's a hard taskmaster. He's very strict.
Once you get to know him, he's easier, but so many times he can be really difficult. But I really like how equally balanced, strict, and gentle he is, like in equal amount. So I think he has added so much more value in my hard work. He made me more disciplined in terms of like waking up on time, sleeping on time, and then everything, like you would say confidence. He had boosted the confidence in me, and whenever I see him on the lane or on the firing point, when I am on the firing point, whenever I look at him, I feel more courage, I feel more confident, and I feel like, okay, I cannot give up. I have to try my best. I have to give my best efforts.
He's made your social service also. You got into
yes,
the social
he always does that. So he'll ask me to set a goal, and if I am not able to achieve that goal, so he'll make me like donate some. If like it's 2 points lesser than that, so probably like something worth of 20 euros, or when it's high time, then something worth of 200 euros. So he'll make me donate that or buy something of that money, like food or something, and give it to the shelter or something. So things like that. Yeah.
How was today's performance? How was today's Excellent. She did really well, and I'm really proud for that. The way she carried herself in the final, it was outstanding. What were you looking forward to today? Nothing, just to deliver the perfect score and give her best, and she did it. And there was no flinching at all, and there was no if and but. I'm really happy the way she did it.
What were your expectations before this tournament?
No expectation. I don't go with expectation. I don't put that kind of pressure on anyone.
Before today's match, what were you telling her? You were telling about some story of Abhimanyu, the story of Abhimanyu. Can you just tell us a little bit about that?
No, that was just nothing, because he was little quiet and all those things. So I said that it doesn't matter. Nobody will remember if you come forth or if you don't perform. You will be known only if you crack something, and either you do it or you die. So like Abhinav, he knew how to get in, and if you see entire episode, we talk about him because he did with that courage, and he knew that he's gonna die, but still he did it. So go with that same courage and with that attitude. You just do what you're supposed to do, and she did it. So I'm happy.
What does this medal mean for Indian shooting? What does this medal mean for you also?
Piece of Eiffel Tower, definitely. This plays a very important role, and I'm sure that it'll give a lot of inspiration to the young girl child, especially in our country, because it's about the way that 50% of female athletes are there now. So it will play a very important role.
Correct. Tomorrow and day after perform.
She's ready, but just she need to get back to the village on time, because early morning 7 o'clock she has to be there.
Correct.
So just trying to rush her there now.
Thank you.
But she's ready.
She's ready.
That's ready.